Optimizing airflow plays a crucial role in maintaining a comfortable and balanced temperature within indoor spaces. By ensuring proper airflow circulation, you can prevent hot spots and cold drafts, leading to a more consistent and pleasant environment. This video will highlight the significance of airflow optimization for achieving better temperature regulation in homes and offices, emphasizing the impact it has on overall comfort and energy efficiency. Understanding airflow dynamics involves exploring how air circulates within a room, influenced by factors like room layout, ventilation systems, and obstructions. The way air moves impacts the distribution of temperature throughout the space, affecting comfort levels and energy efficiency. By studying airflow patterns and identifying areas of stagnation or turbulence, you can optimize the flow to achieve a more balanced and consistent indoor climate. Improving airflow in your living or working space can be achieved through various practical strategies. Adjusting vents allows you to control the direction and intensity of airflow, while using fans strategically can help circulate air more effectively. Ensuring proper insulation helps maintain a consistent temperature by preventing heat loss or gain. By implementing these techniques and other airflow-enhancing measures, you can create a more comfortable and energy-efficient indoor environment. Optimizing airflow in indoor spaces offers a range of benefits that contribute to a healthier and more comfortable environment. Improved airflow leads to enhanced comfort by regulating temperature and reducing hot or cold spots. Additionally, it promotes energy efficiency by ensuring that heating and cooling systems operate more effectively. Better airflow circulation also results in improved air quality as it helps to prevent the buildup of pollutants and allergens. By prioritizing airflow optimization, you can enjoy a space that is not only more comfortable but also promotes overall well-being. As we conclude, it's essential to highlight key takeaways and actionable steps for optimizing airflow in your indoor space. Simple measures such as keeping vents unobstructed, using ceiling fans to promote circulation, and addressing any air leaks can significantly improve airflow quality. Regular maintenance of HVAC systems and filters also plays a crucial role in ensuring optimal airflow. By implementing these actionable steps today, you can create a more comfortable and regulated indoor environment that enhances your overall well-being.